everyone, welcome back to Crocheting with Jill. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the second hair tab that you'll encounter on this evil minion. Alright, so here is the end of diagonal number 73, or at least the regular diagonal number 73. And now I'm going to continue going in order to make this 2-block hair tab that sticks out. It's going to be worked a little bit differently than the first hair tab, really because this one is on a different diagonal. This one's on even versus odd. And so to approach this one, we're just going to continue going with diagonal 73 and make it 1 block taller. So I'm going to switch to purple. Now there will be a gap. It is not attached to the first hair tab. There is a 1 block gap right there. So I do need a new piece of purple for this. I'm only going to cut a piece long enough to do about 3 blocks for that 1, 2, 3 blocks there, and then I'll just switch back to the other purple I had for the minion's hair. Now, since we have no block to attach it to, I'm going to attach it and then do a full chain 5 to make a freestanding block. Now I'm going to pull all these pieces nice and tight. I'm still looking at the back side of my work, and we need to flip our previously done work forward. There we go. So this is how it will look from the front. That piece will stick out. They're just attached at the corner here, and that's it. I first need to move my hook out to the edge, so I'm going to start by slip stitching along the edge of this top block here to get my hook out to the end of the block. And this will basically make it so that we are crocheting as if our scarf had a width of 11 instead of 10, making it easier to do the next block. We'll just work a normal diagonal with 11 blocks. So here it is from the front side. And now I'm ready to start the top block of this 2-block hair tab. So we're just working a normal diagonal here. So I'm going to start by extending the height of the scarf. So I'm going to chain 5 and do my 3 half double crochets. Then I'm going to rotate my work and attach it like normal corner to corner crochet here, attached to that purple. There we are, there's the front side of the scarf. I'm holding it into position. And I need to do 5 more purples here. So altogether 6 purples. So I'm going to chain 2. And then at some point you can switch back to your other purple yarn. Now this is a little bit weird because on this second block you are crocheting around a half double crochet again instead of around the normal chain 2. But again, no one will be able to tell that, of course. And then from here we just crochet normally. Thanks for joining today. Join us again for the next hair tab on the Evil Minion.